Good Wednesday morning, everyone. I hope you had a fantastic week so far. We have been talking about body types, about genetics, about DNA, genetic expression. I've had questions come in over the last few weeks about nutrients. Why are nutrients, specific nutrients, important for each particular body type? Now, each body type, adrenal, thyroid, reproductive, has a predominant gland that regulates the metabolism of that particular body type. For example, if you're an adrenal body type, your adrenal gland rules your metabolism. It helps you respond to stress, break down toxins, live life. Now, the adrenal hormones, like adrenaline, cortisol, they're all made up of certain things, right? There's building blocks that make them up. And those building blocks are certain vitamins and minerals. Now, it is important to the cycles of life. Why? Every cell in your body has particular cycles that run thousands to millions times per second within your cells. For example, the methylation cycle. You've heard of MTHFR. It helps you break down folate properly to help create methionine, which eventually helps you detox and repair. You have many other cycles: Biopterin, Nitric Oxide, Kreb cycle, Folate, the Homocysteine. The Kreb cycle helps you create energy. The Folate cycle helps with your methylation. It feeds into it. The Homocysteine helps you detox all the junk in your body. Now, these are just examples. I could go into them even further, maybe in another post, but I wanted to tell you that each cycle is fed by the minerals and vitamins and the cofactors and the antioxidants. Now, if you're a particular body type, like an adrenal body type or a thyroid, when I state on the videos that you need a B1 or a B6 or a B2 or you need selenium or a zinc, the reason being is because your particular body type favors or turns certain cycles more than another body type. Your genetics determine that. For example, you may not have the genes that turn the methylation cycle very well for your body type, but if you accentuate with certain B vitamins, you'll upregulate it. You'll turn on your methylation cycle, and it'll actually help your body type function at higher quality. Does that make sense? So when I tell you to eat certain spices or take certain oils, I know that the mineral content and the vitamin content and the certain fatty acids are going to feed particular cycles within your particular body type to help accentuate those glands that help dominate or rule your metabolism. See how it all ties together? So on the videos, it all shows like B vitamin here, this mineral, this antioxidant. That's the reason why. You have particular things within your cells that need upregulating, and those vitamins and minerals help turn you on. I don't know if I should say that on a video. Okay, so I want you to know this. Everything in these cycles, detoxification, repair, energy production, proper breakdown of chemicals and toxins within your body, all are leaning to three things. Glutathione production, which helps you detox everything in your body. SAMe, which helps you do what? Helps you break down histamine, keeps you from allergies, helps create energy in the Kreb cycle. It feeds into the Kreb cycle. And ATP, which is in itself energy. These three things are supposed to be made from all these cycles that runs your cells. Basic biochemistry. Now, all this, remember, is ran off B vitamins, minerals, coenzymes, antioxidants. Remember, each body type has certain vitamins and minerals you need, but all the cycles of life are ran off a certain amount, a few vitamins and minerals. I want you to know that the basic things make the biggest effects. Remember that. Don't make it complicated. All these things out there, you hear all these fads, and I love a lot of things that are coming out because there's new research and we have so many new things coming out in the health market. But the basic things are vitamins and minerals, cofactors, and fatty acids. I should have put that on there. So what I'm going to do, me and Blaze have been talking about putting out a body type ebook, because then I can write down all the things that each body type specifically favors, and that way I can send it to you. I know this is a long email, video, IGTV.
It's Wednesday.
It's Wednesday. Yeah, okay, but know that we're going to put that on an ebook. I'll get that done. We'll send that out to you guys and let you know when it's ready and available. I hope you guys have a great Wednesday. It was a long one. See ya.